Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Start Learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. I hope you all are doing well. In my previous videos, I talk about social media platforms, their positive and negative impacts. And in today's video, I will talk about how we use social media in right way or in positive way, so it help us to learn new things, it help us to explore new skills and help us to build our confidence. Let's start. First habit that is needed is limiting your screen time. We should decide to how much time we want to spend on social media. So scrolling on social media is waste our time and energy. So for this we can take help of apps that help us to control our screen time, so we can use this type of app or applications. Next one is use social media for learning. For this we follow educational content, we follow spoken English content, we follow health content and motivational content, and unfollow all the pages that make us sad, angry or negative, because positive thoughts positive content creates positive thoughts. Next one is balance online and offline life, because social media should not replace real life. Social interaction with friends, family and our relatives is very important, and face-to-face interaction is very important. We should be manage online and offline life is very important. Next one is avoid comparing ourselves with others, because on social media people share only happy moments, but real life is totally different. So we should not compare ourselves with others, because real life different and everybody have different lives and everybody have different problems and different situations in their lives. So we can't compare ourselves with others, by because with the comparison we don't get anything. Instead of sadness, instead of inferiority, instead of negativity. So we should not compare our life with others. Next one is protect privacy, and privacy is very important on social media, because on social media if we share something that is confidential and if someone find your password, OTP, then it will be dangerous for us, for our society. So don't share your OTP, don't share password, and so be careful about privacy. Next one is think before you post, because sometimes we post any whatever we post, but we should be careful about our words, about our behavior, because our words affect people. So you should be kind, respectful and honest on social media. It is very important for humanity. Next one that is very important in the era of social media, that is take some break from social media, because take break is help in relax and feel free for some time, and it will be beneficial for our focus and concentration, because after we can come back on social media, then we feel more positive, more confident. So it is very important. Last but the not least, that is use social media for self growth. Self growth, it may be anything. Like for me it is to learn spoken English for my career. Social media, use social media for self growth, and for you it may be exercise, it may be any new skills, it may be learning spoken English, it may be learning any new skills, maybe empower our mind and boost your mind, improve your confidence, improve your public speaking. So whatever it may be, but please use it for your self growth. Today I talk about how we use social media in right direction, because we all know that social media is not bad if we use it wisely. And in today's life, social media is very important for our growth, for our career. How we use it properly and in right direction, for this you can take help of so many coaches are there on online that help to us how to use social media in right direction. We take help from them. And otherwise, please use it carefully. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start learn. See you in the next video.